So today is our day 10. So, and looking at them, they are really growing so big. As at today, they are already weighing 300 grams. So they are really growing so well. So 300 grams at day 10. That is a very massive result. So before we get to 6 weeks, they are very active. They are very active. So that is it. When you take care of your birds, that is the joy they will give you. Very active, very active. They are all doing well. So at least we are expecting at least average of 2.2 at 5th weeks. If our birds can be weighing 300 grams at day 10, wow, that is a good result. So make sure your birds have enough space, enough feed, so you can achieve these results without using any booster for them, and allow them to have enough ventilation, so the birds will be okay. They will give you good vibes. So that is that. Very active.